back on the move, back at it again with another adventure. Alright, we're going to Retiro Park. The sun is coming out. Maybe I should have worn sunglasses. I really do like to look with my eyes, you know, instead of hiding behind sunglasses. But sometimes it's one or the other, sunglasses or the mask. Paparazzi, obviously. And I do need to invest in a good pair of sunglasses because my eyes, like, it's just really bright sometimes, and so I'm really squinty, and I know that that's not good either, but on this walk to the park, I'm gonna pass the Reina Sofia Museum. There's also the Prado Museum. I did not get to go to that, but honestly, there's a lot in Madrid that I haven't yet to do. Hoping to come back here for a little bit, a little long term. We'll see if that happens. But this park is only a 20-minute walk from the Plaza Mayor, so it's not bad. It's nice and sunny right now, so it's even better. The layers, but we moving, we grooving, and we vibing. Right at this intersection, there's a botanical garden, and then just close by is Retiro Park. Vámonos. I am right there, and I'm trying to go there, and that's where I sat the other day eating my kebab. Okay, let's go. The moment we've all been waiting for. Mask off, fucking mask off, mask off, fucking mask off. Percocet, Molly Percocet. Chase and checks, never chase no bitch, don't chase no bitches. Alright, this is where the adventure leaves off. I hope you guys enjoyed today's adventure. We did a lot of stuff today. If you liked anything in this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Adios!